if you ever leave me, baby, leave some morphine at my door. 'Cause it will take a whole lot of medication to realize what we